Hello guys, welcome to online digital marketing training. So we discussed about the keyword research and I gave tasks to the students as well. Let me check their report. I'm sorry today I was late. Yesterday I was not there due to some other meetings. Right. So I have Prashant, Srinivas, no, Muhammad Afreed, Suraj, Sajna, Soumya, Nirmala. These all people have done the task, and I'm gonna check their task. Soumya, hi. One second. Maybe people are joining. Okay. Right. Let me check one by one. Suraj, hi. I'll check with you, Suraj. Keyword research. So for research, okay, brainstorming, Google suggest, keyword planner, Uber suggest. Good. So for brainstorming, best resorts in Hyderabad, good resorts, affordable resorts in Hyderabad with best amenities, weekend resorts, holiday resorts, hygiene resorts, 5 stars. Very good. Good number of keywords. Well done. Google suggest, yeah, swimming pool, Bangalore highway, team outing. Good. Nice. And keyword planner because you people are not aware of Google Ads. If you couldn't able to log in, no problem. In the time of Google Ads, I'll explain you. Uber suggest. Very good, Suraj. Suraj, how much time you spent in this? Total, how much time you spent on this? I want to know. 20 minutes. Good. Soumya. These are so you took from okay, right hand side brainstorming. So when it comes to brainstorming, you don't have a volume. We don't know it actually. But you mentioned it's good. Google suggest, Uber suggest, SEMrush also you tried. Keyword planner also you tried. Okay, good. Keyword types, questionnaire. Oh, good, Soumya. Very good. Next, who is there here, guys? Prashant, have you joined the class? Brainstorming. So, Prashant, you just observe the previous people report. They done in Excel sheet. So, it's not wrong. You can try here also, but if you do it in Excel sheet, it's good for you when you go to the companies. But here, subject is very important. I'll check how you done. This is Google Ads or Keyword Planner. Okay, good. But next time, try to do it in Excel sheet to look more professional. Okay, Prashant? Afreed Pasha. Okay, you tried in a different way. It's okay. Good. Sajna, brainstorming. Okay, good. Chalo, thank you guys. Now today, whatever the keywords we got it, what you are going to do it. That I'll explain. Let me download this notepad only. Okay, these are the keywords. Now, how to do SEO with these keywords? Because I told you the crawling, indexing, and all the stuff. We have to take the keywords because crawler will read only the keywords. So what I am going to do with the keywords, I'm going to explain. Right. Again, this is very important class because people don't know what to give importance, where to give importance, whether to the content, whether to the keywords. So this will clear your doubts. So I hope all of you done a keyword research well, and that's it. What have you done? That's fine. And here, let's talk about Google. Google here, someone user, and assume that this is Google and this is user, right? You're writing a content, okay, like about same resorts in Hyderabad. Assume that you written some content. This is a great content. I'm taking example of Sachin Tendulkar. You wrote a blog on Sachin Tendulkar. You wrote like Sachin is a great cricket player. He started his career in 1990 and he played well against Pakistan. He was a part of 5 World Cups. In such a very good information you wrote. Okay, this is a great content. So you use lot of content. Okay, if you do this kind of thing, okay, whenever user come to your website, user feel very happy that okay, I have a very good content because he read. User came here to read the content, and the content is really good, so he's happy. But the problem is, someone searching for Sachin, you never be on top because you never used keywords here. This is purely content. Content is there. Now there is one more guy who planned. What he done is he used the keywords, and what he used is the completely Sachin. He used the word Sachin again and again. Number of times he repeated. Then what happens if you do something like this? Now, crawler, I told you right. Crawler, when it comes, it will not read every line, important places only. In that also, keywords only it will take. Okay. Google find this is more good actually. And you will come on top. Here you satisfied the Google. Google is very happy for this. And there is a high chances that you will come on top. Someone looking for Sachin career, okay, and Sachin records. When you type, you only come on top because the keywords are there. But the problem is that whenever customer click on that, come to the website, there is nothing, no information, only keywords are there. So user experience is bad. In the first instance, you will never come on top. Only user will be enjoying it. So the what is the best method is combine both of them. Make sure that you write a great content, at the same time try to utilize the keywords, then only it'll come on top, because both are very important for us. Google is very important to come on top, But once you come on top, if nobody reading your content, it's waste. So we need both of them. That's why you should able to create a good content at the same time you should insert good keywords. Otherwise, Google will not make you on top. This is the art. But initially, people used to stuff the keyword. This is called keyword stuffing, and they used to come on top. But now Google have many rules and regulation. If you do like this, Google will punish you. So means you will never come on top. Okay. So people who wanted to trick Google, okay, these techniques are called black hat techniques. Black hat techniques is nothing but Google says one thing. Whatever the content you're writing, write the content for the user. User should get benefited. Don't try to flirt me. Don't try to do it such a way that I'll impress and I'll make you on top. No, forget about me. Go for a Google. Okay, but they're least bothered about the user. They bother more about the Google only. So again, not the direct techniques, indirect techniques they used to come on top. So initially they used to do these only. They repeat the keyword n number of times. They used to do that. So these kind of techniques, there are so many techniques I'll explain you now. Yeah, I'll explain that, Soumya. So uh, those black hat techniques I'll explain you. So if you don't, you're not doing the black hat techniques, then it's called white hat techniques. White hat techniques. White hat nothing but you just follow whatever Google say. There is something called gray hat as well, where you mix both of them. That's it. But you should know what you are not supposed to do. It will be good for you. Let me show a few of them how they try to trick the Google. First, they used to stuff the keywords. Then what happened? They are coming on top. Google is very happy. But when user comes to the website, instead of the content, there is only keyword. Now they are returning back. Okay, what to do? I impressed the Google, but people are not staying. Then what they did is they tried something like this. Try to understand this. Then what they done is they divided the page into two sections. Okay, the first section and the second section. So the first section they started pasting the keyword Sachin, 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 and in the next part they're writing a great content. Now what does it means? You're trying to impress both of them. Okay, first of all you're using keyword so that someone searching on Google you will come on top, and whenever click and come back they will see the content as well. First they see keywords, but next they see content. But again, when they see keywords also, they might feel bad. What is this? I want to read this content and only Sachin is there. To avoid these also, what they do is background color is white, text color is black. They will change the text color to white so that this part will disappear. So user will start seeing from here only. Okay, changing the text color similar to the background. This is one black hat technique. So initially people did like this and they used to come on top. But now Google identified this mistake, and if anyone do this, Google will punish them. So this is one kind of black hat technique. You should avoid it. Second thing, chalo, few days they enjoyed, but after that Google started punishing. They come up with the alternate. This time what they did is, initially they divided the page into two sections, right? Now they started writing two blogs, two pages. One page, again same content. Sachin, Sachin, Sachin. And another page, they starting writing great content. Two pages. And what they do is, they will submit this page to the Google. They submit this page to Google. When you submit this page to the Google, because Google like keywords are there, you'll come on top. But when you are coming on top, when user comes here, but they see only this, they should see this version, not this version. Then they do redirection. In the page, small code they write and they redirect the people to the content. That's it. Here they change the color, but here If you're changing the color, Google is identifying. But this is a new black hat technique. Google is not aware. Now these people enjoyed rankings again. This process, this page is called doorway pages. This process is called cloaking. Now, few days they enjoy the traffic. After a few days, Google identify this. And if you do this kind of redirection also, like writing one version of the content to the Google and showing some other version to the user, if you do this, it is punishable and your rankings will come down. This is also one kind of black hat technique. Now, finally, Google come with one more option, like if you repeat the keywords, that is also a black hat technique only. That is called keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing is nothing but repeating the keyword n number of times, like this many times, is a black hat techniques only. Means instead of focusing on the content, you're trying to trick it. If you do this, this is also punishable. Now, how many times I should repeat the keyword so that I don't comes under keyword stuffing? Okay, so I'll tell you this. For this, there is a formula called keyword density. Keyword density equals to how many times you have repeated the keywords, the focus keyword, whatever the keyword you want to rank for, divided by total number of words. Into 100. This has to be less than 4%, I can say. I'll give you example for this. What is this? Like I'm writing some content here. I'm writing something like Sachin is a great cricket player. Sachin likes cars. Sachin played more than 5 World Cups or 5 World Cups, I should not. Okay, this is the content you wrote. Okay, now if you see how many times you have repeated the focus keyword, my focus keyword is Sachin. 1, 2, 3. 3 times I repeated the focus keyword by total number of keywords, means the total number of words in your content. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 are there into 100. How much, guys? Anyone tell me how much is this? 3 by 12 into 100. What is the percentage? Anybody calculating? Suraj, Soumya. 25% means, it means in your content 25% of the time you repeated your focus keyword, which is wrong. It has to be less than 4%. Less than 4% only there. Please tell me someone, what is the solution for this? What you have to do? I want this doesn't has to be 25%. I want this to be 4%. What will you do? What is the solution for this? Soumya says that add more content. Any other answer? Yes. Suraj says that replace Sachin with he. Like instead of mentioning Sachin is a great cricket player, he like cards, he played more than 5 World Cups. Obviously, that is good. But problem is, I want some good number of keywords also. Then what happens? You repeated only one time, 1 by 12 into 100. Okay. Yeah. I want to use good number of keywords, but I want to add more content as well. If you add more content, like if you see here by divided by 12, right? 12 words are there. Instead of 12 words, if there are 200 words, that's very good, right? If there are 200 words, that is very good. So write more content and good number of keywords and make sure that it is less than 4%, you will win. Okay, I can easily say he, but for Google, keyword is also very important. That's why I want to use Sachin, but make sure that I want to add more content also. So that is very good for you. So don't do keyword stuffing, but if you feel that you're doing a keyword stuffing, try to add more content so that you don't be considered as a keyword stuffing. So when it comes to black hat techniques, changing the text color, cloaking, keyword stuffing, these are all comes under black hat techniques. Next. Next. Now I did a full screen, John. Can you able to see it? Next, a few more things are there. Like someone, again, you don't know, right, what people are searching. People searching with Sachin, then I want Sachin only. We don't take it as a synonym. Tendulkar, Sachin. Again, Tendulkar is a different keyword actually. Okay, you can't replace it. So if you want to, in keyword planner, you will see the volume. Volume is more for Sachin or Tendulkar. Obviously, Sachin, more volume is there. So obviously, it's better stick to Sachin only. Now, another one. Assume that you are a digital marketing training institute, and I took my website name as odmt.in. Now people get crazy idea why I took ODMT. Why don't you take keyword like digital marketing course in Hyderabad.com? It's simple, right? Instead of you working hard using a keyword in the content, why don't you have a keyword in a domain name? Okay, absolutely, it's fine, and people ranked top for these kind of keywords when they did, but they're not maintaining a good content. They're enjoying the rankings only because in the domain name they have a keyword. Okay, slowly Google understood that people are doing like this. Then, if anyone doing like this, Google is punishing them also. This is called exact match domain. They exactly matching the keyword the domain name. If you do this, this is also wrong. Don't do that. Next, duplicate content. If you copy content from other websites and paste on your website, that is the biggest crime for the Google. Never ever copy the content from others. If you copy the content, definitely Google will punish you. Google have very good plagiarism tools. It will find out from where you copied, how much you copied. Some students ask crazy questions like, "Sir, there is a content here. I'll copy it, but I will not paste on my website directly. First, I'll paste it on Notepad, then I'll paste it. Still, it is copy paste, man. It's not like only you copy and paste. No, the similar content is there. It's a copy paste. Now, one more guy says that I will not copy, sir. I will see it and I'll type it. That is also copy paste. The same content you're writing. Okay. There are other ways anyway how to create content. Again, I'll explain tomorrow. How to use AI to create content, whether AI content will accept or not, or else some other rewriting tools are there. How to do that, I'll explain tomorrow. But best way is you develop content. Nothing is alternate. You don't feel that my English is good or but my English is not good. I'm from Telugu medium. But till now I never copied content. I wrote and many times I came on top. So Google don't care whether this guy know English or not, this guy is doing a grammatical mistakes or not. As long as the content is fresh, he will win. That's it. Yes, Soumya. I'll talk about it tomorrow. Whether can we use Chat GPT or not, what are the effects, I'll explain tomorrow. So, fresh content is very important. I'm not a content writer. How to write a content? That I'll show you tomorrow. If you're not a content writer, I'm not a content writer, but I wrote a lot of content. How to do that, I'll show you tomorrow. So what we learn now is there are some things you should not do it. That is called black hat techniques. You should not do it. If you do, what happened today? You're coming on Google. Punishment means Google will not remove your website, guys. Who is Google to remove your website? No one. For this keyword, as of now, I'm coming somewhere here. Now assume that I'm using a black hat techniques. Then what happened? My rankings will come down. Somewhere here I'll jump. Sometimes I'll disappear from Google as well. This is what Google can do. Google can't delete my website. So that's why it's better don't do black hat techniques. How Google punish you? How does Google know this? Okay. Again, Google have something called Google updates. Google updates. Okay. Google always release new updates. Google updates or Google algorithms, you can say. They keep on releasing these things to punish the black hat techniques. Like name, I'll name few of them. Panda update. Mistake. Penguin update. EMG update. Hummingbird update. Then there are so many anyway. I am naming a few of them. Pigeon update is there. Maybe spelling is the pigeon update. So these all update have some meaning actually. So I'll tell you one more black hat technique here. You're not aware of this, but I'm writing. Backlinks. Spammy backlinks. These backlink topics you will learn in the future. From other website, we get a backlink, and if it is spammy, that is also uh, not good. That comes under black hat techniques. Means other people genuinely should link back to you, but you buy the backlinks and you're getting a backlink from a own content website. If you do this kind of thing, it's a spammy backlink and it is punishable. So I'll give an example actually. Panda update. Before that, we already know that how search engine works. The first thing is crawling, right? Crawler, what it will do, crawler will come to your website, it will crawl the content. It will not see anything, whether it is a keyword stuffing, whether it is EMD, it will not do anything. That's why whenever first Google crawl it, you have a very good chance of coming on top, whatever the black hat techniques you do. But these are also different software. Same like a crawler, these softwares also comes to your website. Panda update will come and check your duplicate content. I'm giving some example. That update might do more. You research it, but I'm just trying to give example. Panda update come and check whether you have any duplicate content. First time when crawler comes, crawler will miss definitely. It will not check everything. As long as the keyword is there, it will put you on top. But when Panda update comes, it will check whether this guy copied content from someone else or not. When it find out you're copying content, your rankings will fall down. That's it. Next, Penguin update. Spammy backlinks. Just now explained, right? Link has to be genuine. You should not buy or get a backlink from adult content website. If Penguin update understood that you are getting a backlinks, then it will find. Next, this EMD update check whether you are maintaining a keyword in your domain name. See, it's fine. You can maintain a keyword in domain name, but what about your content? Your content have a poor content, but only with this you're coming on top. Again, this also will hit you. So in such a way, there are some other updates as well. Please go to Google and YouTube, research on Google update. I made a few. Every year, Google release few updates. This year also, Google release some updates. How to find out that my website is hit by the Google or not? Your rankings are fine everywhere. You coming on a fifth or sixth. Drastically, you came down to 70, 80 means something is hit. Go and check on Google what is the latest update and check what wrong practices you are doing. Correct them, reappeal, again your rankings will come. So better try to be a good boy. Don't do all these things. If you're not doing all these things, you're doing a white hat technique only. My simple technique is research the content, write in your own words. Don't repeat the keywords many times. Okay. Don't look at keyword in domain name. No duplicate content. No, don't buy spammy backlinks. That's it. Stick to the basics. I came on top. Definitely, you will come on top. Okay, right. And now we learned what we should not do. How we made mistakes for not getting on top. See, that's what I'm telling Soumya. First of all, stick to the basics. If you stick to the basics, within 2 days, you'll come to know where you are coming. Okay. Based on that, you can take an action. Initially, it will not hit. Initially, you will get rankings. Later, you keep on coming down. So for the first time only, if you don't do mistake, you don't need to check anything. So keep on checking whether I added duplicate keywords or not. Anyway, you will be learning some tools. All in one SEO pack, some tools are there in your content. That tool will tell you. If you're doing anything too much, it will tell you. You're doing too much. Please stop over there. But as of now, I'm giving a basic idea. What is this? Any questions so far, guys? Today, I spoke about what you are not supposed to do. If you do this kind of thing, what happens? This is what I told. With this, we learned, in comes to SEO, we learned how a search engine works, what are important places, keyword research. Now, once you've done a keyword research, you can't paste the content over there. Then what happened? Google. So, what are black hat techniques and what are Google updates? Regarding Google updates, I want you people to research more. There is a lot of information, and I will show you how to research. Google updates. Search engine journal, search engine land, search engine roundtable. These are the resources. The main website which always give good content. There is one more thing called Moz.com. This also give latest algorithm update. Go and check them. So they clearly mentioned when it is started, how it affected. Please read them so that you'll get more knowledge. So apart from my knowledge, because within 1 hour I can't give more knowledge, but if you read the resources, it will be very interesting, and you will not do any mistakes. That's it. And what I'm going to do is tomorrow I'll be opening the dashboard. I'll be writing content. When I'm writing the content, whatever the keyword research you have done, how I'm using that keywords, how I'm generating. Tomorrow, first, I'll show you how to create content, because content writing is not easy, right? How to create content, how to use the keywords, mixing both of them, how to write a blog so that we'll be getting good ranking and which will not affect by the Google. That will be learning tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow is Shivaratri, but still we have a class, guys. And that's it. I don't know whether I'll come live or I'll record it and I'll post it. Anything. I'll update you. Any questions, guys? Is it clear? And a task for you. Task. Research. What are black? I named a few only. Black hat techniques. What are Google updates? So make a nice PPT and send it to me. I'll look into that and I'll show you so that it is also good knowledge for you. Okay. This is the task. What are the black hat techniques? Name them. Different black hat techniques. Explain them. What is this technique and how it will affect, and what are the Google updates also mentioned. Chalo guys. Thank you very much. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.